yo, this is your boy Julian Roy, aka Clean School Boy, aka Ubud Babanduana, aka We Are Eve. Yeah, man, I just had a single launch today at Ekopoleni, 19 July. Yeah, man, tickets were 50 Rand, and as you can see, man, it was dope, man. Ekopoleni, man, have been supporting me, you know, since day one, you know, I started this, you know, yeah, that's why I choose Ekopoleni, you know, and it's a nice place, classy, you know, yeah. The thing is, man, the audience, man, Bapombe, you know, just like me, you know, yeah, it's great, man, it's great. We have that connection, you know, yeah, when it comes to on stage, man, yeah, that's dope. That's what I love about Ekopoleni, yeah, man.
Chilling place, nice vibe. Thank you guys.
We will be back, definitely. There's no doubt about it. We will be back. We will be back for second floor. It's too much life, too much energy.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you find your way.
The people are friendly. The type of music, jazz that is playing, and it's not just your typical old school jazz. It's new, incorporated with some new flavor. The way Julian twisted, I like that.
Reach for the stars.
Yeah, man, this is Julian Roy. On social media, you'll find me, same thing. Julian Roy Facebook, Julian Roy on Twitter. Yeah, man, and that's it. Yeah, Singaliam, iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, all the platforms, you'll find them there. God of my dreams, yeah, man. Yeah,
Open and custom map, letting them know that it's over now. I want the sword and I want the crown. I want the crisp and the caviar. I want them all to be buried now.